This has got to be a sick joke. Fashion, work, work. Oh honey, these ain't a bit of me, I'm gonna be honest. What the hell? Gonna be a little bit breezy in the behind. If this looks good on me, I will be very surprised. You ain't ever gonna get this candy. Now, I could introduce my manager to you. I could say things such as she has provided me with a career for the past year. She's absolutely hilarious. She's the one person I talk to every single day. She's amazing at her job. She's an absolute Wonder Woman. But I'm not going to say all that. I think it would be better if I let Siobhan introduce herself in her own words. So without further ado, my manager chose 5 outfits for me from Pretty Little Thing. And everyone, I would like you to meet Siobhan for the 2nd time on my channel. Over to you, Siobhan. She didn't want to do this, but I made her.
Hi, I'm Siobhan. I am married, expecting a baby, and I don't know what to say, Hannah, because I don't have a life. Hi, I'm Siobhan. I'm married, expecting a baby, and I don't know what to say. This is too hard. I can never be a YouTuber. Hi guys, I'm Siobhan. I'm Hannah's manager. I have absolutely no fashion sense, so this video is going to be an absolute disaster. But good luck.
Ah, lovely. Now, she says she ain't no fashion guru, but Siobhan is very involved in the influencer world, obviously. That is her job. She is a talent manager. She knows the story and the background of every UK influencer under the sun. She's one of those people that just lives for her job. So she's underestimating herself. She knows a lot about fashion. She follows a lot of fashion influencers. She knows what's trendy. She knows what works. And she's picked out 5 outfits for me. And I know Siobhan very well. I know that she's going to try and push me out my comfort zone with these. Here we go. I just hope she hasn't stitched me up massively. I'm keeping my fingers crossed for you, Siobhan. If these outfits are horrendous, you're fired, my friend. I'm joking. She'd probably fire me if I say things like that. Right, outfit number 1. Siobhan said this one is for a girl's day out. And looking at this outfit, Siobhan, your friends are very lucky if you dress like this. My friends are lucky if I put a bit of concealer on to hang out of them. To be fair, I can see the inspo. So the first item that she's picked for me is an oversized white shirt. Lovely. It gives me sixth form throwback vibes. Sixth form's a good time for me. I liked it. I don't mind that. Then to go with it, we have a black jumper. Oh, my camera's freaking out. Oh, she picked up a black jumper and I don't know what to do with my exposure. So an oversized black jumper. This is in a size medium large. It's got nice long sleeves. It does feel really nice quality, and it also has a split up the side. Now, the interesting thing about this outfit is there's no trousers. But she did give me a mighty long jacket. 64, 64, 64 Zoo Lane. And the last one's still Gina, who's incredibly tall. Anyone else remember that show when they were a kid? This is a mighty tall jacket. It's a bit odd. It feels nice. Definitely not waterproof. The water's going straight through that. Oh my God, I'm getting so old. It's got nice elasticated sleeves. It looks like it's going to be a balloon sleeve, which is definitely a bit of me. I love the colour. It feels nice, really long. It's got pockets, but it's got no sort of collar. And I don't think that's going to flatter me very well. But at least it is going to keep me a bit more covered with my shirt and jumper dress. Then we've got a pair of sunnies, cat eye ones, lovely. Fashion, work, work. Also a necklace to go over the top. And I actually really rate this necklace. It's a gold chain, it's not too long, and it's got little diamonds in it. Not real diamonds, obviously, like £7 from Pretty Little Thing. But it is really nice. I'm excited to see what else I can pair this with in my actual wardrobe. And then the shoes to go with this outfit. Oh honey, these ain't a bit of me, I'm going to be honest. We've got these contrast stitch biker boots. Very long, very plastic. I don't know what the yellow's about. High vis on a dog walk, handy. Keeping me safe with a bit of reflective, thank you Siobhan. But they zip up the front, they're very chunky. I don't own any boots like this. There's a reason for that. They just don't suit me, I'm not cool enough to wear them. But I'm gonna try today. So that is the first outfit. Let's see how we get on with it. If this looks good on me, I will be very surprised. Right, first of all, I've had to turn you this way because I'm too long. I'll be matter of fact about it. Second of all, I look like the flasher in Guys and Dolls. Third of all, the idea for this outfit, lovely. Elegant, trendy. The execution, not the same. Look at me in the viewfinder. Oh my god, I need to pull this down a bit. I would like to know what girl wears a jumper like this as a dress and it's not just for Instagram. Does anybody leave their house wearing a jumper as a dress? I would like to know. Like, I'm talking for a day out, I'm talking running errands, I'm talking popping to B&M or Tesco. I've never ever in my life seen a girl wearing a jumper dress other than on Instagram. Let me take these glasses off, they're getting on my nerves. To be honest though, I'm gonna surprise you here. My favourite part of this outfit is the boots. And I know that sounds mad. To be fair, I do love the necklace as well. I think the necklace is so pretty. This coat, I wish I was the kind of person that could pull off long coats, but that's just not me. But like I was saying, my favourite part of this outfit is the boots. Because, I'll tell you for why, whenever I've bought knee-high boots like this, they're always so baggy. I've got proper little chicken legs. These ones, they were so tight, they were nearly catching my leg hairs, and I shaved my legs yesterday. I've only got a little bit of regrowth. So they are tight. I like them. I wish they didn't have the little yellow triangles on and the contrast stitching, because if they were just black, I genuinely would think about keeping them. This is making me feel uncomfortable being this short, I'm not gonna lie. On Lissy Roddy, I rate this outfit a 10 out of 10. On me, I rate this a 4. I think it would look cute on Instagram, but it's not practical. I mean, it's my own fault, it's not the outfit. Some people might think this looks really nice. I don't know, let me know what you think. Alrighty then, on to outfit number 2. This one is definitely more me. So this one is the dog walking outfit. First up, we have a grey sweatshirt. It's okay, it says Gold Coast, never been to Australia, but we move. I like a grey sweatshirt anyway. Don't love the colour of the writing on this. It's like a bit of a browny pink. Not my fave, but it's okay. It's oversized, it feels warm and cosy. I rate it. And then the jeans to go with this. I don't have anything like these, but I really like them. So they are these vintage wash mum jeans. I think they're mum jeans anyway. I've got these in a size small, and these have really lovely details on them. They feel a really soft denim. They've also got the button at the bottom of them. I rate them. I think these are actually going to look really nice if they fit me. But then the shoes to go with the dog walking outfit, this has got to be a sick joke. Siobhan, have you ever walked your dog? Who wears crisp white boots to go on a dog walk? Babes, it's wellies all the way this time of year. Knee high in mud every time, I'm telling you. These would not last 5 minutes. I don't like these either, to be honest. These aren't a bit of me. Very chunky. They're giving me astronaut vibes. And it works for Tim Peake, but it don't work for Fab Han. Never really been a chunky trainer kind of gal. I think I'm too gangly. I'm 5'6", maybe 5'7" on a good day. I'm too long for a chunky foot. This is me sampling this outfit on a dog walk. Come on camera, I'm not being funny, but these jeans are a big yes from me. They fit me so well, I love the detailing. I do feel like they'd be more summer jeans because they are quite short. I don't know if that's just because my legs are like weirdly long, or if because they're actually supposed to be ankle grazers. But I really like them. I can't decide whether I like the button undone or done up. The sweatshirt, it's okay. It's warm, it's got nice long sleeves, it feels cozy. But the shoes, one dog walk and they're coming back brown. Second of all, very uncomfortable. I think I might have turned into a bit of princess with my trainers because I can't wear uncomfortable trainers anymore. When I was younger, fine, if they looked cute, I could put up with it. Now I'm like, oh hell no, get them off my feet, they do not feel nice. To be fair, I am a 5.5 and these shoes are a 5, so they're a little bit small. But all in all, I give the dog walking outfit a 6 out of 10. Next outfit. Siobhan knows me very well. She's got me some PJs. Go on, girl. Providing the light in my life, as always. So this is a little cotton pyjama set. White with the black trim. Really simple, really soft. It also came with the little shorts. I think this is really sweet. I like it a lot. Not much to say about it, but it's jersey. It's soft. Definitely not pyjamas to wear on a fake tan night. But in the summer, I do think they would be cute. PJ set. 10 out of 10. Love her. Obsessed. She's a little bit see-through, but who cares when you're just wearing it to bed? These are so cute, so soft. Elasticated waistband, comfy sleeps. This is what life is all about. It truly is. She's the winner in my eyes. And on to outfit number 4. This one is called Date Night. Date night for me. You gotta be joking. What's that? Anyway, she's kitted me out for when I do eventually go on a date, which will probably be never. But she's picked out for me a black bodycon dress. We're going bold on the date night, you know, showing off the confidence, the non-existent confidence, showing off the curves, the non-existent curves. Thanks, Siobhan, stitching me right up there. Date night, first date, only date. But anyway, it's ribbed, it zips up at the front, it's cute, it's nice, it's simple. She's also paired with this a shacket. My very first shacket, indeed. Shackets are really popular right now. I wasn't expecting it to feel like this, which sounds really stupid out loud. It's a lot thinner than I thought it was going to be, But obviously it's a cross between a shirt and a jacket, so it's not going to be a thick jacket, but it is incredibly soft. I actually love it. I love the colour of it. Not sure if I'd put it with the dress, but I'll see how it looks. I mean, Siobhan knows more about influencers than I do. So if this is what the Instagrammers are wearing, that's what I want to wear. Size medium, stone shacket, Bob's your uncle. She also picked out this little bag for me to go with it. This is an envelope clutch bag. I really like this, but we all know if it doesn't fit a camera in it, Fab Hand's not buying it, because my vlogging camera comes everywhere with me and it would not fit in this. Look at that, that fits through your letterbox. Literally an envelope clutch bag. This is not very practical, but it is cute. And realistically, would I take my camera on the first date? No. Unless the person is full of banter and they say, why don't you vlog it? Oh my God, that would be hilarious. Anyway, the shoes she's picked out for me, oh blimey. The smell of the plastic when I open the box. Wait for it, right? Siobhan has picked out these bad boys. What the hell? I know these are popular at the minute on Instagram. For a big chunky boot, they feel suspiciously light, but they have got a zip to make it easy. At least you haven't got to do the laces every time. So they're the boots to go with my first date dress. This outfit, probably my least favourite straight out of the box. Maybe I'll be surprised when I put it on, who knows? No offence, Siobhan, if you're watching this. I'm sure all these outfits would look lovely on other people, but on me, no. I will say these boots are a lot comfier than the white trainers. I could actually wear these. They just look slightly terrifying. The shacket, probably my favourite thing in this entire video. It is so soft, so comfy, really good to just throw on. This is so far from my style, but do you know what? I don't hate it. I'm giving this one an 8 out of 10. The boots are very out of my comfort zone, but the bag and the shacket get a big yes from me. I never would have thought of putting a shacket with bodycon dress, but you know what? It works. Good on you, Siobhan. And the final outfit that Siobhan has picked out for me, outfit number 5. She's gone out with a bang. We've got Christmas number. She's picked out this Christmas jumper, which I actually love. You ain't ever gonna get this, candy. We love a Gemma Collins quote on a Christmas jumper. Genius, innit? Ain't it clever? And she's picked out some jeans to go with it. She's picked out these massive, wide leg, oversized, oh. I just noticed the back. They're those ones with a rip at the bum. At the bum? Are you joking? Yeah, it might look nice on other girls, maybe when they're wearing a thong, but this very single girl lives in Bridget Jones knickers and that is not gonna look cute hanging out the bum. But they do look like they're gonna fit really nicely. They've got quite a small waist and then they go out. Gonna be a little bit breezy in the behind, but we'll see how we get on, eh? At least the Christmas jumper makes up for that outfit. Wide leg jeans, how do we all feel about them? I love them on other people. I've always been too scared to pick up a pair of wide leg jeans though, so I'm actually really glad that I've had the chance to try these. From the front, I love them. They fit absolutely perfectly. I mean, I have just had dinner, so they're a little bit tight. My sausage casserole ain't too happy in my stomach right now. But if I hadn't just eaten, they'll be so comfy as well. From the front, absolutely lovely. From the back, oh dear, you just know that people are going to make a comment when you're out, and that's why I wouldn't wear these. I don't like people looking, and especially if I've got something behind me that I know people are looking at, it's going to make me so self-conscious. But at least the hole is lower down than I thought. I mean, Bridget Jones aren't out, so that's a bonus. The jumper, love it. GC, love her. Christmas, love it. When I look down, I feel very like 90s Christmas. What do I rate it out of 10 though? I rate it maybe an 8 out of 10, you know. I love the whole outfit. It's just the gaping hole in the back that lets it down. So my friends, those are the 5 outfits that my manager picked out for me. Thank you to Siobhan for taking part in this video. I know you probably weren't that keen, but you did it anyway. You're a true supporter. Let me know in the comments down below which outfit was your favourite. This video was really fun. I really enjoyed this. There are actually a few other people on my management, so if you would like me to film this video again, let me know. A couple of the managers are male. So we'll have to see how we get on with that, but this was so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to see my future videos. Stick around. I upload weekly vlogs every Sunday morning, and if you don't do it, rumour has it you'll have 5 years bad luck. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. I hope you're having a lovely week, and I'll see you again soon with another little video. Bye guys, love ya.